I'm going to show you how anyone can sell AI Receptionist to local businesses. And this is even if you're brand new with no business experience, no coding experience, and you have no experience selling anything ever online. And this is the exact same framework we're helping literally thousands of students with inside our free community. And don't worry, I'm not going to sell you a course at the end. As a matter of fact, I want you to put your credit card away because what I'm about to show you is 100% free. And I'll show you how to get access to this community, all the resources, all the live coaching calls, and the done for you AI guides that will do 95% of the work for you. All I ask is that you share this video. That way we can help more people achieve freedom and start businesses from complete scratch. And I want you to put in the comments AI cheat code, and I will personally send you all the resources, the courses, the coaching, the community, and everything that I mentioned in this video absolutely free. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the simple 3-step process. Number one, we're going to be reaching out to local businesses. I want you to think like your chiropractors, your dentists, plumbers, landscapers, any type of local business. Now, once we reach out to these local businesses, instead of running ads for them or creating content for them like a normal business agency, what we're going to do on step number 2 is we're going to install this special AI software, which is going to install an AI receptionist in their business, which is going to help them book appointments, run day-to-day tasks, reach out to past or even future customers, a bunch of really cool things that's going to help that local business make more money. And then step number 3 is you're going to be able to get paid anywhere from $300 to $500 a month. And in some cases, some of our students are doing $1,000 to $2,000 a month for every client that you get. Now, the simple software that we're going to install in these local businesses is going to allow you to do this in just a few minutes. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using this special AI software that's going to do, like I said, 95% of the work for you. Now we're going to go back to the software, but more importantly, I want to go to step 1 in the process. How do we find these local businesses? It's actually a really simple process. We're going to head over to Google and type in something like this: plumbers in Denver or Dallas or even near you. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to search that, and then I'm going to go right here where it says maps, and then that's going to give me all the plumbers inside of the Denver area. Okay. Now the cool part here is all we got to do now is send a simple message that I'm going to give you the entire script. And this message works so well because we're not really selling them anything until they get results. Okay. So let me show you what I mean. So let's just say we click on one of these here. So I'm going to click on the website, and then it's going to go to their website here. So what I want to do is I want to look for a place that I can contact them, whether it's their email, their social media. Typically, social media is one of the easiest ways to get a hold of them, but you could see we have their email, we have their text messages, their phone. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to their Instagram here in this example. It's going to take me to this page right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to send them this message here, which I'll pull up. That way you can see the entire message. And then I'll also leave this down in the description below. That way you can simply just copy and paste this. All right, so this is the DM script that you're going to send them. Again, you can also send an email with a similar script. What we're going to say is, hey, business name or the owner's name, if it's there on their social media, I built an AI receptionist for your business. In this case, my buddy, the plumber, that is going to get you 5 to 10 booked appointments in the next 14 days, or you pay nothing. Do you want to see a quick demo? So the cool part about this is we're not charging them anything yet. What we want to do is we want to prove that this method is going to work. And then I'm going to show you exactly what you do. It's actually a really simple process. And once they see results coming in, I promise you, they're going to pay you to do this every single month. So the goal now is to not only reach out to one business, but 20 to 30 businesses a day or even more, because this is a numbers game. Not everyone's going to respond back, or they're not going to want to do it. So if you send messages to at least 20, 30, even 50 businesses a day, I promise you're going to get a response. Now let me show you how we actually build this out. All right. So what we're going to do is inside of this AI software, we're going to go to where it says AI agents on the left. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to go to where it says voice AI. And then we're going to go to where it says create agent. Click on that and then create custom agent. Go ahead and click continue. All right, so when we set up this agent, it's going to be a simple process. Now, what I suggest doing is creating one agent, and then what you can do is for every business that you set this up for, you simply just need to change out the business name. Okay, I'll show you exactly what I mean in just a bit. Okay, so the first thing we want to do here is add an agent name. So I'm going to put something like Lori. For the business name, we're going to use this business here, My Buddy the Plumber CO. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this here, copy that into the business name. All right, language stays as English, and then voice, we're going to go ahead and click on this voice here. We're going to click on high quality only, and then pick whatever voice that you'd like. Okay, there's some really good sounding voices here. I'm going to go ahead and just click on Jessica here. You could even listen to it. So we're going to click on this and then go ahead and save voice. And then right here where it says agent's initial message, we're going to say, hey, you have reached, and then we're going to put the business name, My Buddy the Plumber. How can we help you today? And then we could go ahead and hit next here, and then that's going to take us to step number 2. All right, so here on agent goals, we're going to go ahead and switch this to advanced mode here. And what we're going to do is inside of the prompt, this is basically where you tell the AI agent what you want it to do. Now, what I suggest doing, because it gives you a pretty good base of what it should be doing, but what I would do is I would actually paste this prompt. So I would actually copy this here, and I would actually go to ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, I'm just going to basically say, hey, I want to create an AI phone agent for plumbers. This is the base prompt here. Give me a more specific prompt based on the website. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this base prompt. Okay, this is the one that it gave us here. Okay, but I want to do something that's more specific to that business. Okay, and then basically you can go ahead and add the link to that business, right, which is My Buddy the Plumber. So we can go ahead and copy that link here, throw that into ChatGPT, and now it's going to give us a more in-depth prompt that we can use. And here it is right here. And now what we can do is we can actually use this for our other businesses that we're helping, but this is going to give you a good base prompt. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just copy that here, copy this, throw that into the prompt. All right, so now that we have our prompt here, the only thing that you might want to add here is a knowledge base. Now, the way the knowledge base works is it's going to pull information from the actual business. So what we can do is click on create new. The cool thing here is now we can create a knowledge base based on the plumbers or whatever business we want to help. So I'm going to put plumber My Buddy here and then hit create. And then from here, we can go ahead and add whatever we want. That way we just give the AI more information. Okay, so web crawler is one of my favorite things to do here. All you do is add source. You go to web crawler here, and then you put the URL of the business here. So just whatever website it is, I'm going to go ahead and copy this here. Add that, extract data. So again, now it's going to get all the data from the actual website itself. Okay, so super, super powerful. You can add a bunch of stuff here. You can add an FAQ. So if people have certain questions that are always asked, then the AI agent is going to go ahead and reference this knowledge base. Okay, so now once this is all good, I'm going to go back to where we were. And then now with the knowledge base, you can go ahead and click on the one we just created. And if we go back to agent goals, all you have to do here is just simply select that knowledge base that you created. All right, so next is the setup actions, and this is where it gets really fun. This is where we can have the agent actually do whatever you want it to do. In this case, we're just going to have it book appointments. So if you click on new action, you can see there's a bunch of different options here. You can even do like a call transfer. So, you know, if it's talking to the AI agent and someone's like, well, I want to talk to a human, it will go ahead and transfer that call, right? And a bunch of things, it'll send a text message. You could also trigger a workflow where you send them a series of emails or videos. Again, whatever you want to do here, you can get pretty fancy with it, but we're going to keep it simple and just click on appointment booking. And then we're going to go ahead and pick our calendar here. So again, you'll set this calendar up. I'm just going to put new job calendar here, but you can set this calendar up in the software. Click on next, go ahead and pick whatever options you want here, hit next. And now the AI agent can actually book appointments for this business. Now, one thing that's important here is at the bottom, you'll see here received email notifications. So let's just say the AI agent just finished calling a customer. Well, the cool thing is the actual actual business owner will receive an email notification going through the entire phone call and what actually happened. So, if the business owner wants to know what was actually said in the call, they're going to get an email every single time a call is made. All right, so we're almost done here. The next thing we want to do is click on phone and availability, which is the next and final step in this process. What we're going to do here is buy a new phone number. Okay. Now, the cool thing about this is this is only $1 for one. And the second thing is the business doesn't actually have to change their actual number, right? The AI agent is going to call, and if they want to be forwarded to the actual business number, then it can actually do that. So if that's an objection that you're getting with any of these business owners, just let them know, hey, no, the AI agent has its own number and it'll forward everything to the real number or the real email, however they want to do it. But after this, we can go ahead and save this, and we have one final thing to do. All right, and the last step here is simply testing out this agent to see if it works. So I'm going to actually have this call me. Check it out.
Hey, you have reached my buddy, the plumber. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm Jonathan. I wanted to call because my toilet was clogged. Can you help me with that?
Hi, Jonathan. I'm sorry to hear about the clogged toilet. Let me help you out. Would you like to schedule an appointment for one of our plumbers to come and take care of it?
Yes. Do you have anything today?
Sure. Let me check the available slots for today. It looks like we don't have any slots available for today. However, we do have openings starting Monday, January 19th. Would you like me to share some of those options?
Yes.
All right. Here are some available slots for Monday, January 19th, 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 9 a.m. Let me know if any of these work for you or if you'd like to see more options.
9 a.m.
Got it. To book your appointment for Monday, January 19th at 9 a.m., I'll need your email address to send you the confirmation details. Could you please provide that?
Yeah, it's test@gmail.com.
You're all set. Your appointment is confirmed for Monday, January 19th at 9 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
That's it. Have a great day.
Thanks, Jonathan. You have a great day too.
All right, so now we know that the bot works and it booked the appointment. As you can see, the AI agent worked brilliantly, and that was even on the first try. But you can see the power of this method. I guarantee you there's not a lot of people doing this because this is absolutely mind-blowing. And I promise you, any local business is gonna wanna get more booked appointments, and they're not gonna turn this down. Now, like I mentioned, I have a complete blueprint walking you through the entire process. Inside the blueprint, we give you the entire step-by-step process. More importantly, we even give you a weekly coaching call where you can come on, ask us questions, and we show you exactly step by step, not only how to do everything, but how you can get your first clients as fast as humanly possible. As you can see, we have one of the largest AI communities, over 1,400 members, and we're dedicated to helping you 100% free. Now, as promised, I want to give you access to all of this and this AI agency guide that walks you through the entire process, how to sign up for the software. That way you have everything ready to go step by step. I'll leave all the resources down in the description below, but if you want me to personally send them to you, just comment down below what you learned, and we'll see you on the next video, and God bless.